mare, para sa mga gustong magsimula ng sarili nilang brand ng sunscreen, you can start off for as low as 5,000 pesos. Yes, mga mare, we can do your private labeling for as low as 5,000 pesos with CY Bioscience Corp. We are a private labeling company kung saan own formulation namin, label mo ang nakalagay. Yes, mga mare, for as low as 5,000 pesos, you can start off para makita mo ang kakalabasan ng brand mo. Ngayong 2025, for as low as 5,000 pesos, you can start off your own sunscreen brand and be the CEO of your own brand. Sa 5,000 pesos na yan, SPF 50, PA+++, and of course, with nano-white technology pa yan. At the same time, mga mare, highly moisturizing ang ating sunscreen. And of course, free basic logo layout, free photo and video marketing na din for your marketing creatives. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo kung interesado ka na magsimula ng sunscreen brand mo ngayong 2025? All you have to do is to message me directly para mag-start na ng sarili mong brand ngayong 2025.